to seals all like this is feel really good, but then I feel like here scratchy right there. So what you're gonna do, we're going to using precision glue gel. So there's like two like and which is one is like have a little really precise precision needles there, so it's going all the detail, and on the other ends is the brush on this end. So then this is to allow you to access into more of precision glue gels when you are using with like a metal part, and if you need more than just a little, because this one we are going to not only seals around, but then we are going to like seal completely, cap completely all of the metal part. With the metal parts, metal charms, you don't have to worry about it. It's not going to taking a shine away, but actually is it adding a more shines on it. Unlike if you are sealed on the top of the crystal, is taking the cut and the facets and the shines from the crystal away. This is will add the shines on it, and plus it's protected from getting tarnished and catching on the client's clothes or their hair or their fabrics or their sweater. So I'm not using on the other side, and to feel it in, I feel scratchy right here when earlier, and I feel this is that your clients also feel it too. If they are wearing it, they feel it right away. So all you need to do is make sure you are going all the edges and check. If you feel scratchy, you're going to seal it in. Okay, here for 60 seconds. You can definitely reapply it. Apply it another time if you needed it. To double secure, to seal more, I'm go ahead and seal on the metal, and then this we're gonna definitely let it go and cure like 60 seconds to make sure they are completely cure. Feel scratchy right here, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. You will do the little exam first. When you feel it scratchy, you're gonna squeeze it out and seals it. Little go a long way. Okay, here for 60 seconds.